Hello, guys, and welcome back to MoJK's live stream. Welcome y'all to the live stream. All right. So today we're gonna be fixing this Master Plus Original S1000 HD right there, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Let's go right here, ladies and gentlemen. It's about to go down. All right. Let's do this. We need to hurry up with this job because we gotta do it ASAP. All right. Let's do this. Let me get the power cable so that I can show you guys it's not powering on. You know what I'm saying? So let's go. Let me power this light. Still not okay. All right. So from the power supply, right there, we have 11 volt. That means this power cable is okay. All right. Wait. Let me see if the let me see if the quality is okay. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Ah, Era sal. Vamos. Hold on, guys. Okay, let me just quickly run this job quickly. Okay. Can you money? Can you only?
No worry, I'm about to make the answer later. Okay, Joe, go check.
Okay. You're muting microphone. I see. Well, all right, guys, welcome back. Ṣé ẹni máa lọ? ẹ máa lo wàhálà yẹn pọ̀.
Àbàjẹ́ o.
All right, guys. Sorry for the interruption. So let's take the reading of this 11. That's 12. 12 volt right there. And we are supposed to have light here, but there is no light. Okay, so let's see what is going on. Let's see what is going on. Okay. All right, the first thing is physical inspection to see if there is a damage, bonds, you know. I can't see any damage or bonds right now. You guys can see. Let me zoom it in so that you guys can see. Thank you for the likes. For the person that hit the likes, thank you so much. All right, examining through all here, and there is no physical damage. Okay, right there, nothing is burnt. Okay, now let's take some readings. All right, so I'm going to be taking readings of each sections. Okay, let me do this. Hold on. So we have different power supplies. Okay, I'm going to start from the power supplies. This is a power supply. This is a power supply. You have another power supply. We have another power supply here. Okay, power supply, and we have diodes. We have ICs over here. Let me remove this guy. Okay, so that we can see what we are doing. All right. So I'm going to take readings from the power supplies over here. So let's see if there is any short in each of the circuits, all right, in each of the power supplies. Okay, so starting from this coil over here. Oh, sorry, multimeter on diode mode. All right, then GND can be these guys over here, can be here, can be here, can be here. GND is almost everywhere. Okay, so let me just put it here. Let's go. 0.3. Okay. 0.006. There is a short on this area. Short circuit here. There's another power supply over here. 0.5. So this circuit is fine. Okay, so this circuit is having a problem, but let's take a reading of some capacitors as well. Okay, all right, diodes, readings on diode. We have diodes here, this side. Okay, this diode is okay. And this diode is okay, but let's try and take, so that we'll be sure there is no short. Okay, there's no short. There is no short. Okay, this diode over here. Okay, there's no short here. So we're having short on this side, but we don't know exact what component is having issue. It could be this. It could be this IC. It could be this IC. It could be any of the capacitors. Okay, so let's use Rosen flux method first. Okay, Let's use the Rosen flux method first. All right. Let's see one of, if there's any. Hello, Mr. Thomas Pasdera. Welcome. Welcome to the live. The multimeter told us there is a short on that circuit, on this circuit over here. Okay, so let me insert charger and let me see if there's something going to be eating up here. I'm going to insert charger right here, and we are going to see if there's any component shorting over there. Okay. Nothing is eating up. Why? Nothing is eating up here, guys. But let's inject voltage. Should we inject voltage? Let's inject voltage. The voltage from the charger may not be enough. All right, let me get my DC power supply. We are going to inject voltage over there, and we are going to inject how many volts? Because this guy is controlling the CPU side, so we are going to inject just a little amount of voltage over there. This is 5 volts. This will be 1.1 volts. 2.3 volts. Oh, what's this? Okay, but we can use the voltage coming from here. All right, wait, let me see where we can inject voltage. Hold on, guys, because we have to be careful injecting voltage so that we don't destroy the processor. All right, let me just quickly take some reading with the multimeter. Hold on. So this is the main line. So hold on. Okay, this is the positive line. So this line should carry what is going on here. All right, you know what I'm going to do? Okay, let me use thermal camera. Let me use thermal camera. I don't want to risk injecting voltage on any of these lines. Okay, I'm going to insert the cable and check on that thermal camera which of the, but the multimeter is telling us that this side is shorting. It could be this IC shorting. You know what we are going to do, guys? Let me remove that IC. Let me remove that IC over here. The short should be gone. If the short is still there, then we inject voltage. Let's remove this IC. Most of the time, this IC is the problem. So let's take out that IC. Oh wait, let's use the thermal camera. Hold on. I just want to be sure. Okay. From the thermal camera. Okay. That is the thermal camera. Let me power off this guy. Right, that's the thermal camera. Okay. That is the PCB over there. So I'm going to insert what's going on? Hold on, guys. Something is popping up there. You guys can see over here, right there. This guy is eating up. This guy is also eating up. Okay. What is that? Let me see where the thing is. Oh, this guy is popping out. This guy is also flashing. There's another one right here. Why are these guys eating up? This diode is also eating up over here. Okay, you know what we are going to do? First of all, let's take out this ice and let's see if the short is still going to be there. That's what we are going to do. That's what we are going to do. This guy is popping. This guy is eating up. And this ice is also eating up. This ice is also eating up. This ice is also eating up. But we got a short on this line. On this. Let's take another reading. I'm sure. That line is short. I'm very sure. I'm very, very, very sure. That line is very short. Very short. Okay. You see that? This is the only line short. This line is good. And this line is good. See that? See that? But the thermal camera is telling us this IC is eating up. This IC is also eating up. But in the meantime, let's remove this one. Let's remove this IC. And see if that coil is still going to be shorting. Let's go. Let's remove that IC. Because this line can short those two other lines. Okay. The IC is out. That IC is out. Let's wait. Let's allow the PCB to cool down. Then we take another reading. Why don't we take reading when the PCB is hot? Because we are not going to get the accurate value. That's why we don't take readings when the PCB is very hot. Okay. So we are going to take another reading. Hello. 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 Ah, Ogami here. Hello. Yeah, it vibrates. Uh, kò ṣó rárá ẹ ní screen mi. ṣó ń ṣó mi nígbà tẹ̀lé screen mi test ẹ̀ àbí kò ṣó rárá tí o bá ṣó rárá display IC nìyẹn. ẹ náà ni mo sọ kò ṣó anything but báyìí fi screen tuntun sí yẹn ṣé ó ṣó. kí ni gan ò gbádùn screen connector yóò dáa screen connector yóò dáa rárá. ok ọ̀nà mo check báyìí. Ibi bẹ́ẹ̀ ni problem o. Baba ibi bẹ́ẹ̀ ni problem ẹ wá o. Wọ́n ti ṣe. Ó ti jóná bí ẹni ẹ̀ńtà àti iṣẹ́ lórí kí náà ti ń pè clip yìí náà ni. Ibẹ̀ yẹn ti lọ. Ìyẹn máa pè yín ẹ pè mí lẹ́ẹ̀kan ẹ̀ ẹ̀kùn gba nọ́mbà mi lẹ́ẹ̀kan ẹ̀ tí làwọn ọmọdé máa bá yín. Ẹ pè mí sí mo fẹ́ nọ́mbà ẹ pè mí sí mo fẹ́ nọ́mbà ṣe pé wà lórí wọ́sọ̀. Máa pè ní máa kọ̀. Yeah, what's in the kí lórúkọ yín sà? Okay. Màá pè yín, màá check ẹ̀ ń sìn. Màá pè yín. Solomon. Okay, guys. Today I don't know that this I don't know that this is going to be very, very, very. We were working on this guy. That means this IC is fine. Let me put the cable again and see where the problem is coming from. Why are these guys? Okay. Mr. Adewale, good. Mr. Adewale, how are you? The real India, the real leader is here. What are we repairing today, boss? The quality of this is okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. I'm trying to repair this decoder, and the phone also came in for repair. Okay, probably it will be for the other channel. I'm not sure. Why is this thing? Why is this showing short? Why is this short? Okay, I'm going to take readings again of this guy eating up from the on the. I've not gotten this type of this thing. This thing is short here. What's happening to my multimeter? Let's take another reading. This guy is short to ground. Guys, this guy is having problems. You see that? All the lines are shorted. All the lines are freaking shorted, bruh. There's only this one. No. This guy is not good. This guy is not good. Okay, let me take it out. I'm going to take it out. Man. Amen. It's not good. This is the output over here. This is the output of this guy here. So this guy is very short. I forgot to measure this guy. So let me put this guy back. I'm going to put this IC back. Then I'll remove this guy. Let's do this. So that's what I want to do now. Let me set this thing properly. Sorry, guys. Sorry. And it's gonna block a little, so. Ní máa ń fi ojú mi rí. Tí máa ń stream báyìí, máa ń fi ojú mi rí. Máa bọ́. Ah, sorry guys, this thing is giving me a headache. So I'm going to take out that stuff. Just hold on. Um, okay, 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 okay. Yeah. So just let me do that stuff, okay? I will let you know what's going on. Okay, I've installed that IC back, and this one I'm going to take it out. Okay. All right, I've taken that guy out. I'm gonna take another readings. Oh, let it cool. Let it cool. These lines is freaking short, you know. What is short in this line? Oh, the name of my workstation is RFH5. RF4. I think this guy is. I think the processor is having a problem. Because I've removed this guy. It's still shorting. Why is it still shorting? Because this guy is also blinking. Let me take it out. So where could the short be? Okay, that guy is out as well. Blowing with the fan to cool it down. Sometimes this decoder can be so troublesome to repair. Is it cold? Please read those components you've removed. Let's confirm if they are short. Okay, this one. The way I'm looking at it, I don't think it's short. Because after that, this place is too short. Okay, well, let's just read. Okay, let's read. I'm gonna put it here. Okay, that one's supposed to short. And this one is fine. This is fine. This guy is fine. Obviously, when I removed it, and this line is still short, I know that that thing is fine. That's out. This is supposed to be GND, right? And this guy is supposed to be out. Voltage out is still short. Line is still short. This guy was not short earlier anyway. Okay, let me see on that thermal camera. Let me monitor on that thermal camera. Let me see what is gonna happen. This thing is crazy. I'm telling you guys, this thing is crazy, bro. This thing is crazy, bro. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. Okay, let me take voltage reading of this line. Let me take voltage reading. Let me take voltage reading. 1.1. This guy is no more short. Let's see. Wait. Because why is he giving us 1.1? Oh, wait. Sorry. On diode mode, I don't need to insert the cable. Oh, sorry. Ah, come on, guys. Look at that. It's still freaking shorting, man. This is still a short reading, bro. Still a short reading. What could be the problem? Could it be the processor itself is gone? Okay, no problem. Let me put cable. Let me take reading. Voltage reading. Voltage reading. This thing is giving me a headache. 5 volts, okay. That's good. 5 volts on this line. Whereas I'm looking for that 11 point something volts. This line is 5 volts. 4.3. 1.1. This line, this is the voltage is supposed to produce. 1.1. I don't understand this thing, bruh. Yes. This is 12 volts. This 12 volt line. 12 volt line is coming from here. Okay, here it enters from here. So from the back side, I think we are going to remove this guy. I'm going to remove this thing. I want to remove the old PCB out. Because this thing is stressing me, bro. Okay. Why is it not coming out? Okay, there's another screw. Let me take out this PCB, guys. That's the best thing I'm going to do. Okay. The problem is there is a short on the PCB. So where is the short coming from? So I'm going to inject it's supposed to be output. So let me inject voltage here on the output side. 4 volts. Let's start with 4 volts. Oh wait, let me start with little volts. Like let me go 2 volts. 2 volts. Okay, 3 amps. 2 volts, 3 amps. Something is eating up now. Okay, hold on. Thermal camera. No, no, no. Feel it. Ah, má jẹ́ ó ta. Ó gbóná, má jẹ́ ó ta agbára. Focus on the thermal camera, guys. Let me switch off this light. Okay. So I'm going to inject on. You see where the you see. Let me reduce the arms. 1.7. Okay. Now check this out. You see something here. Something here is eating up. What could that be? Can you know short? All right, I've detected something shorting. I've detected something shorting. Could it be the processor shorting, guys? Ha, almost. That's gonna be a big. That's gonna be unrepairable. Okay, let's go. Let's take readings of this guy. This guy was eating up. Okay, this component was eating up. Somewhere here is eating up. So let's read. Diode mode. Okay. Okay. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that this capacitor is freaking short on both sides? What is this guy? Let's use the Rosen flux. Let's use Rosen flux. Let's use Rosen flux. This side is eating up. Let's use Rosen flux. Okay. Rosen flux. Those two guys. So why is it not melting? Why is it not melting? Guys, I'm suspecting that process, so I don't want to inject. Okay, let me increase the volts. 1.7, then can it be more than 3? Okay. I'm very sure these guys, you know what I'm going to do? Let me remove this Rosen flux. Yeah. But it's not doing anything. I'm not sure about the voltage that's supposed to come on this line. I don't want to inject too much voltage. I don't want to inject too much voltage. It's not melting. Nothing is melting. Nothing is melting. Let's take out this guy. Okay. All right. All right. Let's check again under the thermal camera. I'm suspecting this processor. I'm suspecting this processor. Let's go. Let's check under thermal camera. Ah, can you guys see that? The processor is freaking gone, guys. You see that edge? You see that? Oh my, the processor is freaking gone, bro. The processor is gone. But we can't conclude yet. Let me remove those components next to the processor. Let's remove the components next to the processor. We can't conclude that the processor is bad. Hold on. Let's take out these guys. These two guys were the heating components, okay? So just to be sure. Right, guys? Just to be sure. These two guys, let's take them out. Let's take them out. Just to be sure the processor is fine. Hit the like button, hit the like button. One is out, the other one is out. Okay. We're not removing it totally, okay? Just to be out from that, from that line. Okay. Now let's take another reading. Okay, let it cool first. Cool down, my brother. Hit the like button, guys. Come on now. I'm drying with the fan. Okay, for those that hit the like button, thank you so much. For those that did not hit the like button, hit the like button, okay? Let's take another reading. Because when I measure this coil is the guy supplying voltage into this processor. All right, and it was shorting. So let's take another reading. .061. Oh, this processor is gone. You see that? First side, second side. Hold on. I become short one. Okay. First side, second side is still short. But the short reduced, right? The short reduced. This GND obviously. Wait here. That processor is gone. See. The processor is gone, guys. The processor is gone. Reball the processor. This processor is not the one you reball. Okay, is the one that, is this type of processor, with the pins around it. The processor is gone. The processor is gone. The processor is gone. Ah, man. Wait. Let me check again under the thermal camera. Yeah, obviously. Let me show you guys. Hold on. You see the processor right there? It's freaking eating up. It's normal for the processor to eat up, but in a case of short circuit, man, that processor is gone. The processor is gone. All right? The processor is gone, guys. The processor is gone. Man. This is another decoder. Okay. And this one is powering on. So this one is powering on, as you can see. This is powering on. So I just want to show to you that it's true that the processor is short. Let me open this one. I'm going to take readings of that power supply that is supplying voltages to the processor, so that you guys can see what I'm saying. The processor is freaking gone, guys. Why is this guy not? Okay, finally. Okay, look at that. The same guys. Okay, and let's take readings. Okay, maybe this will even guide us to repair that one. Maybe, but I'm sure the processor is gone. Let's come straight to this guy. Do you see that reading right there? Do you see that reading right there? This is the reading this coil is supposed to give us, because it is the guy supplying the processor. Okay, now look at the reading it's giving us. Look at the reading it's giving us. Hold on. You see that reading? You see that reading? You see that the reading is reading short. So this guy supplied this processor power. So if this guy is short, the processor is gone. Look at that. This is the accurate reading. This is the normal reading we should get. Okay, normal reading we should get. And on this guy, you see that on this line 0.280, but on this guy right here, look at the reading here. You see that's way too low. So this board is gone. I hope you guys have learned something to this stream. Thank you so much for joining us. I have a phone to repair now. The phone that that technician brought. Phone here. Okay, that was a phone the technician brought here. So I need to. Okay, sure. Okay, yeah, this phone. I need to repair this phone. So I'm going to say a very goodbye to everybody. Today we didn't win because the processor is dead. Okay, so I'm going to see you again another live stream. Okay, before I go, if you have questions, please let me know. If you have questions, please. If you have questions, please let me know. Let me know. Question, question, question. I hear it. So we are just going to replace the component we removed from here, so that the customer can give it back to the customer. All right. We are going to replace the component. We are going to put back those components. All right. Thank you, sir, Mr. Dewali. So I'm just gonna put it. The ICs removed. Okay, that is good. Let me have your account number. Hey, my brother. Hey, my account number. Let me write it. Hold on. Hold on. My pen. For me, pen at the way. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I'm coming. Okay. Hold on. This is my account number. Okay. That's my account numbers over there. 6764375296. That's my account number, sir. Okay. All right, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you everybody for watching this live stream. I hope you guys learned a lot. So I'm just gonna couple this back for the customer, and the customer was so kind enough to give us a decoder so that we can repair this one. So this one is having network issue, and I forgot to check it. Okay. Name please, Moji K cell phone repairs. That's the name. Thank you so much. Moji K. Go, but thank you so much for watching. Oh my God. Okay. I'm going to type this later. I'm going to put all these things later. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. I'm going to see you in another video. Peace. Cheers, everybody. Bye. We are going to win tomorrow. Don't worry. Bye. Thank you so much, Mr. Dewali. Thank you so much for the donation. I really appreciate, man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Cheers.